straight. Everybody comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gentle smile on your lips. Yes. Okay. We will do Vakrasana, which is a twisting. Okay. Fold your right leg. Right leg. Everybody fold your right leg. Take your right hand inside your back spine. Right hand back. Am I audible? Andarki vinpistunnada? Okay. Now take your left hand up. Right leg నుంచి క్రాస్ చేయాలి. రైట్ లెగ్ నుంచి క్రాస్ చేసి లెఫ్ట్ నీ పట్టుకోవాలి. వెరీ గుడ్. ట్విస్ట్. లుక్ బ్యాక్. వెనకాల చూడండి. యువర్ చిన్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ షోల్డర్. Twist yourself nicely. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly relax. First, release your left hand. Bring your left hand back. Release your right hand and release your leg. Relax your legs. Relax, relax, relax. Now, bend your left leg. Now, take your left hand back. Right hand, twist over your left knee. Hold your right knee with your right hand and turn back. Chin, your chin should be equal to your shoulder. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Come back. Release your hand. Release your leg. Undali, flexibility undali. So dan gurinchi there is an asana called Titli asana. You know Titli? Titli means butterfly. So we will do butterfly asana. First manam bhadrasana lo vastam. Fold your legs, both sole of your foot together. Back straight, spine straight, head straight. Look forward. And from here we will start Titli asana. Slowly, slowly start moving your thighs. Yes. Close your eyes. And start flapping your thighs. Eyes closed. Now imagine that you are a butterfly. Manamu butterfly pose chestunamu. Just imagine you are a butterfly and you want to fly high in the sky. You are one of the lightest soul, lightest body, and you got a beautiful those wings from which you are flying high. The more you want to go up, fly more high. But listen to your body whenever you do any practice. If you practice this on a regular basis, your hip joint, your mobility, in terms of running or any practices which are related to your legs, you will not have any issue. You will have very good mobility. Keep moving, keep tapping, keep tapping your thighs. Back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly. Try to right from the spine, try to bend forward, try to touch your head or chin or nose to your legs or your toe. Stay there. Go as per your range. Meeku enta aitadi anta elandi. Don't push yourself, but try to bend forward. Stay there. place it on the mat. Mat పైన చేయి పెట్టి అక్కడ నుంచి హ్యాండ్స్ కి పుల్ చేయండి ముంగట ముంగట ముంగట. Try to pull your hand, go forward, bend, stay there 5 and slowly come up. Knees ని దగ్గరగా తీసుకురండి and hug your knees. Hug your knees like you hug your dear ones. Hug it tightly, stay here. So why are we doing this? Yes, this is the contraindication. ఇప్పుడు మనము legs open చేసాము.